Ministry of Foreign Affairs response to Uebert Angel over Dubai Airport. 2 deaths of birth embarrassment. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has responded to the disgraced Ambassador Uebert Angel's embarrassment at Dubai Airport. Subscribe like on the bell. The disgraced prophet has complained accusing the Minister of Foreign Affairs that he abandoned him to be detained at Dubai Airport. Angel was detained after it was discovered that he held 2 passports with the 2 different dates of birth. He also holds 3 different IDs. Angel's entry clearance was revoked mid-air while flying towards Dubai for his son's engagement function. He was only released after Minister Amon Murira intervened, and he has since launched complaints accusing the minister of sabotage in court, but it was his fault as he is the one who had flown to Dubai on a different passport, a British one previously, said Minister Murira. The said British passport is a different date of birth that is 6 years older. ZVAITWA also reached out to obtain comment from the sitting Foreign Affairs Ministry representative to the UAE Ambassador Isaac Moyo, who said when the fracas happened, he had not been briefed at all of Uebert Angel's travel plans, as happens with other diplomats. In course, I don't want to comment on these matters. I have no comment. I was not involved in his coming here, said Ambassador Moyo. The charismatic preacher, Uebert Angel, doubles at work as an ambassador of the president, and he was appointed in March 2021 after fleeing a police case that was opened by a rape complainant. Less than 8 months later that year, he would be filmed by undercover reporters from a ZVAITWA Al Jazeera documentary called Code Mafia, telephoning the president and arranging to launder billions of dollars using his diplomatic privileges. This year, he ended up apologizing after falsely prophesying that a Catholic religion footballer prayed a Muslim player during his year's World Cup tournament. Despite proclaiming himself as all-knowing Shikiro, who controls the lives of presidents and ending their lives, Angel's itinerary has been controlled by this reporter for over a month and got to the point of exposing how he has compromised politicians in countries like Zambia. Toma developments are kuda pankwa ine. Ina comment section medu dzavura imo tudi pamusoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.